Hi, Louie in the UK. The old Black Herbie. So I got this clanging that's happening whenever I go over bumps just on the rear end. So I'm up here underneath investigating. So I checked the wheel bearings. That's all good. The shocks were suspect. This side, in case they were loose, but this side actually was all right. But what I did notice was this side has a metal top, and it was bent there. Can you see that bend? I've tried bending it out, and I think that was tapping on the bottom of this two metals. It's very, see? But then I also noticed that these here, see these rubbers? They're loose. So those body mount need tightening a bit more, which is a 2-minute job. And it's on both sides. So let's have a look at this side. Let me just show you. Get in there. See that? If you look, the rubber's moving. Yeah? I'm going to tighten those two down. I mean, if you look underneath here, everything is new. See? Literally amazing. The engine had a very... not the engine. There was a leak coming from here. So I've just tightened up that Jubilee clip, so I think that'll sort that, because I can't see any split, and it is new, that thing. So yeah, just generally everything looks good. I mean, these bolts are way too long, but they wouldn't cause a clanging, would they? They're not touching anything, and these are too long. So that's what I think is going to cure my clanging problem. Because I won't drive this unless that clanging stops, because it's too noisy. Now the engine could do with a good clean, and we've got a few little leaks up here, but they're very minor, you know. So it's got all new gearbox mounting brackets and rubbers, bolts. Gearbox looks new, which I've topped up with oil. So generally, you know, she's in lovely condition. So I'm going to quickly tighten up those two bolts. Let's have a look at them quickly. And I think that's my problem cured, fingers crossed. So it'll be that one and that one. Let's do it now. Thanks a lot.